Hi friends, how are you all? Welcome to my Aquastar Love Talk. Let's see what's coming in your love life. If you are in a no contact situation, we will see what will be there in your love life in coming times. This will be a timeless reading. If your energy is matching with you, your energy is resonating with you, it's yours. Otherwise, you can check other readings in my channel or you can move on to other readers. Okay, let's see what's the energy in your life currently. And just tell me what are the current situation of my collective. What are the current situation of my collective viewers? What are the current situation? Holy Father, please tell me. Okay. So, someone abandoned you, they are not talking to you, and you are in a deep depression. You want a emotional message from them. You are um, in a deep desire of this communication. Okay. So, let's see. And just tell me what are the energies that is there in my collective viewers. What are the energies that are there for my collective viewers? Okay, moon card, deep depression. I'm sorry, I cannot show you this. Deep depression. This person, maybe it is also there that somewhere, if there is a full moon nearby, your emotions are out of control. You cannot control your emotion. It's outbursting and you cannot hold your tears. It was very painful for you and you try to heal yourself, but still you are in a waiting mode that someone will come towards you and pay you attention, but there is no communication coming from anywhere. Okay, where you wanted to. So what's the energy of my collective viewers? Let's see. Empress, you are trying to remove this anxiety and you are now wanting yourself in an Empress situation. You want to heal your situation. You want to see gorgeous. You want to change your life into a happiness and you want to work on this situation. You want to work on this energy round and trying to feel better in your, yes, Nine of Pentacles. Now you are taking care of yourself and you are taking care of your monetary situation. Maybe you are entrepreneur or you are, maybe you are self-employed. You are taking care of yourself. You're taking care of your health and you're taking care of your beauty, gorgeousness, and you are taking care of your hair care, everything. Okay, so let's see what's going on with the energies that you are connected to. This person, oh my god, let's see. Addicted, this person is also dealing with that depression and now they are into some addiction to cope up with this depression. They have some trust issues in this situation. The conflict between you and them was due to some pregnancy, maybe. Okay, and they thought that you are infatuated and they thought that this will remove when the time pass, this situation will wash away, but they cannot relax and let go of your connection or they cannot let go of the situation as the time passes by, but They are still in your energy. Yeah, they want a support. And now, okay, and now they want your forgiveness and want to work on this connection. Yes, this person now understanding that this is a strong bond between you and them. Now want to support you. Now want to come towards you. You will get through this. Yes, their life is now changing for the better. Metamorphosis. Yeah, they are going outside and feeling and taking reaching to the conclusion that this is not one sided, this is not a player situation. Okay, yes, they want a healthy sexuality because the chemistry between you and them is very much stable and it's going nowhere because of their patience and because of their awakening. They are now, when they are in a solitude, they are understanding that this situation is lifelong. Why I'm saying lifelong? Because this is child, when they not are when they proposed you, that time they are immature. Now they are mature and now getting that this situation is going nowhere in despite of the separation. Okay, so now they want to come towards you and work on this connection. Let's see what's their energy. To let's see what's the energy that you are dealing with, what they are feeling right now, what they are feeling right now. See, they have no happiness in their life. 10 of Cups reverse, they have not a single happiness in their life. What is going on? Yeah, this person is struggling to come towards you. 5 of Swords, they are fighting this 3 of Swords. They are in pain for this conflict. Whatever conflict between you and them happened, now they are in a mind battling situation, that how I could come and offer this solid commitment to this person. What have I done? What have I done? Because they are now wanting to give you that apology that they are contemplating on. Okay, so what is the intention of this person? What is the intention of this person, that this person you are dealing with, of my collectives are dealing with? Yeah, they're confused how they will approach you. They are very much confused how they will approach you. What I will do, just see the situation, what I will do, how I could come towards you. They are very much confused, they are very much emotional. What should I do? But I have to give you that apology. But now they are ghosting you, they are looking at you from the far, maybe from the social media or something like that. They are keeping a tab on you. Okay. Oh my god, see, addicted, and they will, this person is very much addicted to you now. They are thinking of you day and night, they are thinking of you day and night, that it's over for the better. They are thinking that it's gone for the better now. They are missing you badly, they are missing you badly, I'm telling you. They are crying over you, they are just sweeping, weeping. I don't know what. I'm feeling that pain now. Oh my god. They are sitting beside the bed and weeping out terribly. Oh my god. Now they are feeling that emotion. Yes, this person wants to apologize to you. Definitely. And they will give you that commitment. If you want that commitment, see, love. They have total love for you. What will be the action from this partner? What will be the action coming in the recent future from this partner? What will be the, yes, they will come towards you with a straightforward communication. Okay, Yeah. Four of Pentacles. They want to hold on to you. Four of Pentacles. Yeah, this person wants to hold catch. Temperance. Yeah. Reconciliation. What will this person? Yeah, they will now boss up now. They will now try to boss up and give you that 10 of cups. They are rushing. I'm getting there. They are rushing towards you. Knight of Swords. Let me see what's coming out. What will be the what will be the action from this person? They are conflicted. What should I do? What should I do? Will they take any action? If yes, what? Will they take any action? Yeah, Six of Cups, Three of Pentacles. Will they take? Suddenly, I think suddenly something will happen. Will they take any action? Yes, yes, yes. This person will come towards you. Page of Swords, Ten of Pentacles, Six of Cups, Three of Pentacles. First of all, they will give you an offer of friendship. Okay? They will give you offer of friendship, and then they will slowly going towards the commitment. Okay? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. This person is trying to come towards you to communicate with you. Eight of Wands. Okay. Yeah, Eight of Wands, Two of Pentacles. Still, they want to dip the finger and want to see what's the situation with you, what's your mood, what you want. Then only they will come towards you to heal the situation. Okay, what's there? What they want to tell you? Let's see what they want to tell you. What they want to tell you. Angels, what the person wants to tell you. See, they will apologize. Definitely. I feel sorry to for doubting on you. See, this person wants, they are very sorry. Whatever they have done, I still feel the same for you. They are feeling that love still. I want to teach you a lesson. Yes, this person is very much stubborn and want to teach you some lesson from them their side. But now they are only getting that lesson only. They are getting that hard lesson from you. Okay, this person is paining themselves to make you learn something. Oh my god, so hard. I'm dying for you. Come back, please. See, this person is dying for you. You deserve better than me. They know that you deserve better, but still, they will not leave you alone. Four of Pentacles, they will not leave you. I left you to make you see what they are telling you. I left you to make you realize my importance. So hard, not there. I feel the same for you. Same thing is coming. I still feel the same for you. I feel the same for you. You touch my heart. See. You know exactly what I was doing. You also know what they are doing to you. You also understanding the same that what they want to make you learn, but they are feeling that sorry for doing these things. Okay, so what's your advice? What should you do? What's your advice? And just tell me what's my collective friends advice should be, what they should do in this situation, what they should do. Let me give me the advice. Okay, building up, building blocks, clean it up, changing the wind. I think the wind is changing. I think the situation will change. I think you can clean all the situation. You can clean all the debris of the negative situation. All whatever have been done, whatever have you are gone through, you were gone through. So clean those energies from you and this person, and now start to build slowly this connection again. Okay, start it from the scratch. Yeah, deep knowing and tribe. This person is your tribe. So uh, deeply you know what should you do. Your yeah, this person. Okay, same. to the sea. Whatever emotion is coming out, let it come out. Okay. Exchange keep, message in a bottle, TikTok, and regeneration. They are coming from they are changing their pattern. They will change their pattern. They will transform. They are transforming their situation, and now the divine timing is there. This person will message you and give you some gifts. I think they will gift you something. The numbers which are very much important is 7, 12, 21, 28, 46, 27, 15, 30. Okay, so these are the number that can resonate with you anyway. Okay, so this person is coming towards you with a message in a bottle. I think they will message you. Okay, in a divine timing, this person will come, and in a divine timing, this situation will be again building itself for the better future. Okay, so that, so this is the reading. If you like this reading, give me a like. If you like these types of reading, then subscribe to my channel and click the bell button for the notification. If you like to have a personal reading, click on that email ID. You can email me for aquastar.699 @gmail.com. Okay, so have fun. Bye bye.